Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable and use one-handed mode on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. As a first step, we would need to enable this function. For that, go to Settings and find a tab which is named Advanced Features. Click on it, and here you can already see this setting one-handed mode. To enable it, it's simply enough to click on this slider. And also by clicking on name on this function, we can choose in which way we are gonna enable it. By gesture or by double tap on the home button. I have chosen the button and now let's test it. I'm double tapping on this button and now you can see that the screen become more smaller, so it will be easier to reach with one hand, for example with my thumb like this. Also, you can move the screen to different edges. For example, by clicking on this arrow, we can move it to the left side or to the right side. And also, if we will hold this white line, we can move it to another corner, for example upper, and also to the left one also. And now, let me show you how it looks. This screen works the same as normal screen, but it's smaller so you can reach it with only one thumb. To leave this mode, we would need to double click on this home button. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.